Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry. I'm about to go outside and get some electrical work done on the irrigation system, but I know it's going to be really loud because the winds are blowing. So you're going to see an awful lot of footage, but not a lot of talking. I don't think. We'll see. As I suspected, it's really noisy, really windy outside, so I'll give you a quick rundown on where we are on the irrigation for the new beds. All of the conduit has been run for the signal wires going to each of the valves. The valves are installed. There's water going to each set of valves. Now the good thing about that is because there's the ability to turn on those valves manually, we can go ahead and water until I get the valves completely connected up. But first, I need to get ordinary household electricity going to that controller. We live off-grid. We generate our own electricity using solar panels and sometimes a generator for backup. One of the things I did when we built this place was to run some underground electric wires from the utility building out to an RV parking spot. Along the way, I also tapped in for the existing controller that's out in the middle of the yard. Since the new controller is going in a different spot, I need to run electric wires there. So the objective here today is to get the electric wires that I've already run through conduit, with Irene's help, connected to both the outlet on the post for the new controller and hooked up to the electric wires that are underground. This should be interesting. Fishing the wire through the conduit was a little bit of a pain because I didn't have the right pieces. And nobody in the area had the right pieces either. So we made do with what we had. That made it a little difficult to fish the wire through that conduit.